Greetings. This is another tutorial on how to get questions into Moodle 2.0. There are basically two ways to get questions into Moodle. One, of course, is simply to go in and start typing in the questions after you have select what kind you'd like a multiple choice or true and false. The second is to import. Importing allows you to take text files and import them in as question files. Saves a lot of time. For example, here we have a document with several kinds of questions. We've got multiple choice, true and false. Now, wouldn't it be great if we're able to take these and put them into a file format that Moodle can interpret? And there is. It's called a Moodle XML file. First thing first, there's a lot of special formatting sometimes that goes into Microsoft Word. What you want to make sure you do is change your style set, and go to default black and white. That gets rid of those things like smart quotes and other things that cause sometimes some interpretation problems for programs like PowerSchool and Moodle. Once you've done that, it's a pretty simple task, but you've got to make sure that you set up the questions the same in a sense so that the program can read them. So after asking questions here, number D, I'm going to put in the word answer. And this is where we're going to put our actual answer for the multiple choice question. And I'm going to select D as the answer. Come down here, we've got another multiple choice question. I'm going to put the answer, and I have no idea whether these are the correct answers or not. I'm just using these as illustrations, and we're going to put C. So that's a multiple choice question. When you set up the test for Moodle to be able to read it, you have to tell what kind of question it is. So this is called a multi-choice. Get it spelled right, that will help, right? Multi-choice. Alright. Then below that, you see we have a true and false question. And that is simply true, false. Now we have some stuff here that is not going to get interpreted correctly by Moodle because that's not the way you set up a true and false question. So we need to get rid of this information and simply keep the number, which is fine. And then we come just like we did on a multiple choice, and we'll put the word answer. And I'm going to go ahead and say, let's spell it right, answer. And I'm going to say it's true. Okay? Well, now that we've got a basic style here for our questions, I'm going to bring a program over that is actually found on the internet. It's called Moodle XML, and as you can see, the web address is vletools.com. I'll make this available to you so that you can go there. What you have to do when you get there is you have to sign in. Now, everyone can sign in because you probably have a Facebook account. You'll need a Facebook account in order to sign in. And you simply click sign in, and eventually it will come up, and here's the two ways that you can log in. You can use Twitter or you can use Facebook. I have already done this with Facebook, and so it's going to let me just log straight away in. Follow the instructions the first time you log in. Once you've logged in, you won't have to ever worry about going in and validating Facebook again. Just simply click on Facebook, and here we go. Here we are now in our screen. As you can see, there's some information here, but in order to work with the actual program, you just simply go to Quiz XML and come down to the text box here. Now, we need to take some information from our Microsoft Word document, and come over here to the Microsoft Word document, and we copy those questions. I'm going to come back over to and we paste. In that point in time, we preview it, make sure it's what we want. Parse 3 questions. Here's a preview of them, out of all the answers. The answer is true. And then you simply download it and save it. In the next video, I'll show you how to take that file and put it into your Moodle 2.0 for questions.